and it will be started from NJP. The custom and immigration facilities will be provided at NJP station. The composition of train was also discussed and finalized. This train will consist of 6 two-tier and 2 AC chair cars and 2 power cars. That is, the total 10 number of coaches will be there in this train. The train will be is proposed to be run on twice a week, bi-weekly, on Thursday and Monday from NJP. And it will arrive at NJP on Friday and Tuesday.
From Dhaka.
From Dhaka. The timings are yet to be finalized. That will depend upon the availability of time slot at NJP also. Then deployment of crew and guard and other staff are discussed. Joint examination of brake was also finalized. And what will be the communication system between the two countries regarding operation of this train was also decided. As regards freight operation, the interchange time, which is at present from sunrise to sunset, has been proposed to be increased to 24 hours. More cooperation is now proposed at officer level. Earlier it was being done only at station master level. Now the divisional officers will be coordinating, which will lead to better planning and improvement in interchange. Interchange means more number of trains can be sent to each other country at the same time. Then there is it was felt that Bangladesh side and India side there is a improvement in infrastructure required to handle the increased load. That was discussed, and some training requirement was expressed by Bangladesh. So we will be looking into it, how we can provide training to their artisan staff. Other important items like size of train, how many wagons we can send, like 42, 50 or 30, that are also decided, and what types of wagons are acceptable. So these were the important issues that were discussed. Delegation also visited Darjeeling Hill railway section to explore the tourism potential on the 23rd of February. Basically, the train from Dhaka to NJP, it basically will improve the tourist potential of this area. It is basically proposed that more and more tourists from India and Bangladesh go to each other country to improve the relations further. All the issues have been discussed in very cordial and healthy atmosphere, and it will lead to improved coordination and understanding between the two railways, increased trade in goods and services, increased potential of tourism between the countries, and introduction of a third train. That is, earlier Maitri Express and Bandhan Express are already being run between India and Bangladesh. So this will be the third train that will be started in next month. That's all. Thank you very much.
So how much time it
is
will
there-
take to reach the final destination from NGP to Dhaka, and how many kilometers it will cover?
पाँच सौ तेरह 513 kilometers.
513.
Is there any probability to run trains from South Bengal to North Bengal by using this route?
That may be planned later also, but not the point of discussion this time.
Primary objective is train from Dhaka.
Primary Dhaka and Bangladesh and India.
Okay.
Mr. Verma, will that be a non-stop train from NJP to Dhaka?
Yes. No stoppages in between.
And as it is with all other trains in the whole country, that the freight gives the main revenue to the authority. So
Yes.
in that way, what is your expectation or what is your target for the freight as well as vis-a-vis passenger?
Between India and Bangladesh.
No, this train, this Indo-Bangladesh service, what is your expectation or objective that will that be mainly focused towards?
Objective is to improve the relation between two countries
Very good.
and to promote the tourism between the two countries.
So should we
Because
consider?
NJP is a center from where they can go to visit all parts of India, not only West Bengal. Earlier they were proposing to run the train from Siliguri, but Siliguri we have certain disadvantages. We don't have infrastructure, and so if we run a train from Siliguri, it has to be, reversal has to be done at NJP, which is not possible.
My point is ki, since we have a very good trade relationship between Bangladesh,
Yes.
Bangladesh and India. So in that way, how far do you think the freight service can generate revenue for this railway link?
This Halibari Silahati,
Haldibari?
almost every second
NJP
day,
Dhaka, NJP Dhaka, obviously passengers as well as freight.
no passenger only this train is introduced now, as of now,
Right.
which will be running bi-weekly. And depending upon the response, frequency can be increased.
But will that be open for freight also?
Yes, the line is open for freight. That was already opened on 17th of December.
Right.
Now the formalities we are discussing, all the formalities have been finalized now. We will be running them shortly.
So freight train, goods trains we are having in this track regularly from December? Or no?
No, they will be starting.
So you have not yet started?
System of operation we have to establish. What system will be, that's why this meeting was called.
Okay.
One
Sir,
more question is, go ahead, please. From our side, is there any probability to that Prime Minister will come in Siliguri to inaugurate
No,
the
it will be through video linking only.
through video?
As of now, Prime Minister will decide.
PM is going to Bangladesh as far as now. What is the what are the reports? There is no program schedule in Siliguri.
I have not information. That is not yet decided. At present it is not there.
So you have just said that by it is expected that on March that train movement in between NJP and Dhaka can be started. So have you fixed any date or
26th of March.
26th of?
Yes.
What will be the fare?
Here it will be decided.
So have you fixed any date from her, the passengers can pick their tickets?
Not yet. Not yet. But fare structure will not be decided. That will be decided then. No, that will be decided in within this time, before running of the train.
Will the ticketing thing will be done through the IRCTC standard ticketing system or something else? Something else will be introduced.
As Matri doing IRCTC, so this will also be done by
Same pattern.
same pattern.
Matri and
Just like they're doing the Calcutta.
Achha.
This will be done on the same pattern.
Same pattern.
শাহাদুল ও আপনি যদি কিছু বলেন একটু বোমগুলো একটু দিদি
ইংরেজিতেই বলবো
শুনুন একটু মাতৃভাষা শুনুন একটু ফেব্রুয়ারি মাস
ইন্টারন্যাশনাল
যাবে তার সরকার
এটা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ইস্যু
মাইকটা যদি কাইন্ডলি
স্যার স্যার আমার মাইকটা
আমাদের বলুন
স্যার এই নাইকা
একটু জোরে বলবেন তার কাইন্ডলি তাহলেই হবে
স্যার এই নাইকা মাইক করা মেরা বলা স্যার
না আপনারা কি ভাবছেন একটু ঠিক করে দিন আগে হ্যাঁ আপনারা কি ভাবছেন কি হবে
অলরেডি দুটো এক্সপ্রেস বিটুইন ভারত বাংলাদেশ চলছে এই তৃতীয়টার প্রয়োজন পড়লো কেন
ধন্যবাদ সাংবাদিক ভাইদেরকে, সাংবাদিক ভাই বোনদেরকে। আজকের এই প্রেস কনফারেন্স আয়োজনে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আমার সহকর্মী, আমার সিনিয়র কলিগ কাটিহারের ডিআরএম জনাব রবীন্দ্র কুমার ভার্মা এবং আমার সহকর্মী শিরামহের ডিআরএম জনাব শিলেন্দ্র প্রতাপ সিং এবং আমার সকল সহকর্মী এবং সকল কর্মকর্তা কর্মচারীদেরকে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। শুরুতে আমি কি বাংলায় বলবো না
বাংলা বলুন প্রথমে
স্যার বাংলা বলুন ইংরেজিতে বলবেন ন্যাশনাল
বাংলা বলুন মানে মোস্ট অফ দ্য চ্যানেলস আর ফ্রম বেঙ্গল
স্যার আই এম ফ্রম ইন্টারন্যাশনাল চ্যানেল স্যার এই নাই ওকে ফাইন ইউ ক্যান
Okay, I speak in English for covering both international channels and Bangla channels. Please. Thank you very much, everybody, and for arranging this very good press conference. First of all, I would like to convey the thanks and gratitude from the government of Bangladesh, from the people of Bangladesh, from Bangladesh Railway, and from the members of delegates that have come from Bangladesh to India on 20th of March 2020. First of all, you know that you have asked me why this third train was necessary. Yes, Honorable Railway Minister in Bangladesh instructed for inauguration of a new passenger train through Siliguri from Siliguri to Dhaka for increasing tourism facilities for Bangladeshi people who would like to come to Darjeeling and Siliguri. This was the ground, and the main reason is not this. The main reason is that you know that Bangladesh and India has a very good friendship since the independence of Bangladesh in 1971, when India wholeheartedly supported the cause of independence of Bangladesh. Since 1947, the partition of India took place. The railway networks also disconnected according to political decisions. After which the people had problems of communications, and they always urged for communication through roads and railways. Because in our formal meeting, I said that the partition can divide people through political and regional means, but they cannot divide the hearts. Since the trade and development and railway communication will increase the people-to-people connection and heart-to-heart connection, people of Bangladesh always ask for these reconnections, for which the government of Bangladesh was very eager to reconnect the disconnected points of railway and roadways. You know that 26th of March is our Independence Day, and 26th of March 2021 is the Silver Jubilee, Golden Jubilee, 50th anniversary of our independence. Our Honorable Prime Minister wants to show an example that the country is the Bangladesh integration has achieved a higher level, for which she wanted this train to be inaugurated. That's the main reason we are going to inaugurate a third passenger train. For goods train, you know that Bangladesh and India have already established 4 interchange points to Benapol and Petrapol, Darshan and Gede, Biron and Batikapur, and Rangpur and Singapore. These 4 interchange connections. Chilahati Haldibari will be the 5th one. So for goods train, the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh and Honorable Prime Minister of India inaugurated the Chilahati Haldibari section of railway with the countries on 17th of December last year, and through this inauguration of railway lines, goods train and passenger train will be open through this line. The first train to be operated will be on 26th of March, as passenger train, and goods train will follow. Thank you.
How long it will take to what will be the time? How long it will take to cover the district?
এবার একটু বাংলায় বলুন।
The running time in Bangladesh from Chilahati to Dhaka is around 8 hours, and the running time from Haldibari to NJP is around 1 hour and 15 minutes. In total, it will be a bit more than 9 hours. So our proposal, according to the discussion that held on in the Dairy Level Coordination meeting, it was decided that the frequency of train will be 2 per week in the beginning. Later it can be increased. That 2 will be from on Thursday and Monday. On Thursday, one train will start from NJP at around 14 hours and arrive at our cantonment station at around 21 hours. Right? And on the same day, the train will return from Dhaka cantonment at around 23 hours and will arrive in JP the next day, that is Friday, at around 7 hours.
In
8
between,
hours.
in between, how many stations will this route will cover?
Yes, right. So it will be a through train, non-stop train.
Right.
So there
There is no stoppage.
So no stoppage from NJP to Dhaka station, Dhaka cantonment station. But if necessary for any operational purpose, the train can be stopped, but not for commercial purpose.
No stop.
Mr. Islam, does this 9-hour duration include the immigration thing?
No. This is only the
So
running time.
excluding immigration?
It's excluding
Running
immigration,
time.
and immigration will take place in the L to M. That is, for India side it will be at NJP station, and for Bangladesh it will be at cantonment station.